Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do monthly reading for Libra for the month of April 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. So, let's see. I'm really sorry I couldn't do the readings for the month of March for any of the signs. I was busy with other things. I was traveling, so that's why I couldn't do the readings. So now let's see what do we have for April. Okay, Libra. So let's see what's the overall energy we have for you, Libra, in the month of April 2026. Overall energy for Libra, please. Overall energy for Libra in the month of April 2026. Overall energy for Libra. Okay, what are the key challenges or obstacles we have for Libra here in April? Key challenges for Libra. Oops, 1 second, guys. Yeah, sorry. So, the challenges here we have the Magician. Now, the actions or advice for Libra, please, in the month of April. I want only one card. Okay. The actions or advice for Libra, please. Actions or advice for Libra. Okay. The strength and opportunities for Libra. What are the strength and opportunities we have for Libra? The strength and opportunities we have for Libra. Okay. Right now, the outcome. Outcome for Libra. Okay. Got it. So, the overall energy for you, Libra, I see is, there is growth. There is growth, definitely. There is recognition I'm seeing happening for you, growth, success. Definitely your efforts are going to be fruitful. You are going to be rewarded for the efforts you have put in your work, in your personal life, and in your love life. I see that there are very good chances that if you are engaged, you might uh, get married. If you are single, there are very good chances of meeting your partner. And if you are planning, for very few and specific of you, if you are planning to conceive, there are very good chances that you will have that positive news also in the month of April. Now, for some of you, I also see that to see growth in your life, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, it can be for very few, but you are like, you are taking care of everyone, but not taking care of yourself. Okay, you are like, you can be, taking care of everyone emotions, everybody needs, everybody, supporting your family emotionally, financially, in all the way, but somewhere you are ignoring your own well-being, your own health, is what I am seeing. Okay, so you need to take care of yourself. You need to come out of your comfort zone. Okay, sometimes to take an hour for yourself in 24 hours is also a very big thing to do, right? तो मे बी आप अपने लिए वो थोड़ा सा टाइम भी नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो जिसमें आप थोड़ा रेस्ट कर सको या उस चीज़ पे ध्यान दे सको जो आपको पसंद है. मे बी जस्ट हैविंग a hot sip of coffee and relax. Okay, आप उतना टाइम भी अपने लिए नहीं निकाल पा रहे हो, which is not good, right? So just try to take care of yourself. Come out of your comfort zone. उस daily routine से आपको बाहर निकलने की जरूरत है to bring that change in you. Okay, maybe getting up half an hour early so that you have that slow morning instead of rushing every day the same thing in the same way, right? So थोड़ा सा आपको कुछ change करने की ज़रूरत है. Bring a small change in your routine and you will see, how your mind and your emotions and how you deal or handle the situation will also change. Okay, so just try to come out of your comfort zone. and there is definitely growth happening in the month of April for you. Okay, Libra, that's what I'm seeing here. Now, the obstacles or challenges here is you are having everything. Okay, you are having all the resources, everything. Like you are having you got skills to work on your project. You are talented. You have support with your of your family. Emotional support है, financially things are good at you, but somewhere you are not utilizing it, or somewhere you are not aware of how blessed you are. Okay, you are not utilizing your resources to the best or optimum level. That is what I'm seeing here. Okay, even if you are capable enough, but you are, for whatever reason, it can be for some of you, overwhelmed because of too much work pressure. आपको आप उसी survival mode पे चलते जा रहे हो instead of trying to create something new or being more creative. For some of you it can be आपको आपको यू आर नॉट रियलाइजिंग वॉट यू आर ब्लेस्ड विद. सो बोलते हैं ना कि आपके पास में प्लान है, आपके पास में स्ट्रैटेजी है, आपके पास में रिसोर्सेज है, आपके पास में फाइनेंस रिलेटेड एवरीथिंग है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर आपको कोई घर बनाना है तो आपके पास लेबर भी है, आपके पास प्लान भी है, आपके पास स्ट्रक्चर भी है, आर्किटेक्ट भी है, बट आप उसको यूज ही नहीं कर रहे हो. आपका कोऑर्डिनेशन प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है समवेयर. ओके, जिसकी वजह से आप अपने घर का कंस्ट्रक्शन का काम ही स्टार्ट नहीं कर पा रहे हो. Okay, so what you have to do is you need to understand how much money I have to invest now, how much resources I'm having, what is my plan, how much support I'm having. So you need to utilize all that you have for the best result. Okay, that is what I'm getting. Somewhere that is also coming out of your comfort zone कि आपको थोड़ा सा different कुछ करने की जरूरत है, so that you can utilize your resources, your skill, your talent, your knowledge, whatever you are blessed with, utilize it to the best level possible for the optimum outcome, or the best possible result. Okay, that is what the obstacle here is. Now the action or advice is come out again, set yourself free, come out of this stuck energy, come out of this survival mode. अगर आप चाहो तो आप free हो सकते हो, but आप क्या कर रहे हो, आप फंसे हुए हो उधर, right? So it's like that. So you need to set yourself free. You need to come out of this hanged man energy. Okay, बोलते हैं ना सर्वाइवल मोड चल रहा है, सेम टाइम पे उठना है, सेम टाइम पे सोना है, सेम टाइम पे सेम ब्रेकफास्ट करना है, सेम टाइम पे ब्रेकफास्ट करना है. इट्स लाइक देयर इज नथिंग न्यू. एक रिपीट वाला साइकिल जैसे होता है ना, उस तरह का साइकिल समझ, आई एम गेटिंग इट. लाइक कि जैसे वो रिपीट का बटन दबा देते हैं तो वो रिपीट होता जाता है, राइट? डजंट मैटर. तो फिर आप सर्वाइवल मोड में चले जाते हो, आप कुछ नया नहीं कर रहे हो, कुछ क्रिएटिव नहीं कर रहे हो, कुछ kick start your day. You need to have that spark. Okay, so उस चीज पे आने के लिए आपको इस सर्वाइवल मोड से बाहर आने की जरूरत है, विच इज अगेन कमिंग आउट ऑफ योर कंफर्ट जोन. ठीक है, सो दैट इज व्हाट यू हैव टू डू. यू नीड टू सेट योरसेल्फ फ्री. यू नीड टू बी मोर clear in your vision. You need to be more clear on how you're going to achieve your goal. Okay, and also for some of you it can be coming out of your past. कोई रिलेशन ऐसा था, कोई कनेक्शन ऐसा था, कोई बॉन्ड ऐसा था जहाँ जिसमें आप बहुत अच्छे से यू वर वेरी इमोशनली इन्वेस्टेड, एंड नाउ बिकॉज ऑफ दैट समवेयर इट डिडंट वर्क आउट वेल, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ since it didn't work out well, आप उसी में अटके हुए हो कहीं ना कहीं, right? So you are not able to move on from the past. So that is also what I'm getting here. So you have to set yourself free and come out of this hanged man energy. Okay, the strength and opportunity, again the same thing. You need to come out of the victim mindset. ओके, नाउ कि मेरे पास में ये नहीं है, मैं ये नहीं कर सकता, आई एम ऑब्लाइज्ड, मेरी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, दिस इज माई ड्यूटी, आई कांट सेट माई सेल्फ फ्री. मैं चाहूँ भी तो इस प्रॉब्लम से, इस सिचुएशन से बाहर नहीं आ सकता या आ सकती, डजेंट मैटर. तो आपको विक्टिम माइंडसेट से बाहर आने की जरूरत है. इट्स लाइक यू आर इन अ मेंटल केज. ठीक है, तो आप जब भी चाहो इस इस रोप से फ्री होके आप बाहर निकल सकते हो. सो इट्स लाइक ऑल एवरीथिंग इज इन योर माइंड. ओके, योर माइंड इज क्रिएटिंग इल्यूशंस, योर माइंड इज क्रिएटिंग ए ट्रैप फॉर यू, जिससे आप बाहर नहीं निकल सकते हो. मे बी अगर जैसे मैंने बोला कि आपको ना सर्वाइवल मोड से बाहर आना है, आप हो सकता है सेम टाइम पे सो रहे हो, सेम टाइम पे उठ रहे हो, तो यू माइट थिंक कि अरे यार ऑफिस जाना है तो इतने टाइम पे तो करना, ये तो करना ही पड़ेगा, ये तो रूटीन हो जाता है. नो, just try to see how you can bring a small change in your routine. Okay, so that's how you will start making new changes in your schedule. You will see that change in your energy. Okay, so that is what I am trying to explain कि आपको victim mindset से बाहर आने की जरूरत है. Everything is in your hand. Whenever you want, you can come out of this stuck energy and best utilize your resources and see the growth, okay, which you are expecting. ठीक है? The outcome is very positive. Outcome is see 10 of cups. Now, so once you come out of this energy and once you start, utilizing your resources or make the best use of the resources you are having, you will see a positive outcome, a very beautiful energy. Okay, a very happy, joyful celebration is what I'm seeing happening here. Okay, so as I said, for some of you it can be you might get married. There are good chances for some of you that अगर आप वेट कर रहे थे एडिशन ऑफ ए न्यू फैमिली मेंबर इन योर फैमिली, तो उसका भी चांसेस बहुत अच्छा है टू गेट दैट न्यूज़. There is some kind of celebration. If you are single, there are chances that you might meet somebody and the outcome is good. By end of April or in any phase, work life hai, personal life hai, professional life hai, anything, it will the end of a particular situation is going to be very emotionally fulfilling and satisfying. Okay, जैसे मैंने बोला, there are very good chances of growth, but all you have to do is best utilize your resources, come out of the survival mode, set yourself free from the victim mindset, and you will see, you will definitely see growth happening here. Okay, so beautiful positive energy for you, Libra, in the month of April. Now let's see what do the cards have as a guiding message for you. Guiding message for Libra, please, for April. समटाइम्स वी गेट टू मच इनटू द सर्वाइवल मोड के हम ना सोचते हैं कि यही तो है स्केड्यूल, इसमें और क्या ही चेंज ला सकते हैं हम. बट दैट्स वन स्मॉल चेंज. इट कैन बी अ 15-minute चेंज. 15 मिनट आप वर्कआउट कर लो. 15 मिनट आप नो म्यूजिक, नो फोन, नो डिस्ट्रैक्शन. यू कैन स्पेंड टाइम विद योर ओन सेल्फ एंड you will see how relaxed and how peaceful it feels. Okay, so just a small change. Start with a small change, 5, 10, 15 minutes, जितना भी आपको लगता है. But do something different than your schedule, and you will see and observe that change in your energy. Okay, now the guiding message is drum, which says dream and journey. Okay, so whatever your goal is, whatever you want to achieve, it's not too far to achieve. Okay, it's a journey, right? Sometimes हमें लगता है कि हम ये अचीव हो जाएगा, उसके बाद में we will start that. Okay, like for example हमें लगता है कि जस्ट इन केस, ओके, कि पहले मेरी जॉब लग जाएगी, उसके बाद में ट्रैवल करूंगा. जॉब लग जाती है तो हमारे पास टाइम ही नहीं होता कि हम ट्रैवल करें, राइट? फिर हमें लगता है कि जब हम ट्रैवल करेंगे तो उस टाइम पे आई विल डू शॉप, लाइक मैं अपने पसंद के लिए शॉपिंग करूंगा. पर फिर लगता है कि अरे यार ट्रैवल में एक्सपेंसेस हो गया, अब उस टाइम पे पहले मेरा सैलरी बढ़ जाए, उसके बाद में मैं शॉपिंग करूंगा, राइट? सो उस तरह की एनर्जी, व्हेन वी काइंड ऑफ डिले थिंग्स कि ये हो जाए उसके बाद में विल डू दैट. So don't delay, even at least for the small things, right? So try to make those few changes, do things what make you feel good. Okay, as I said, having a strong coffee with your own self and relaxing, that is also very important thing, right? So try to do things which make you feel good, bring that small change in yourself, and then you will see how easy this whole journey becomes. Okay, so that's the energy for the day, for the month, guys. Please claim the positive energy from this reading. If you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.